Hey guys, Ashley Matthew here with another beginner video on the TRX. This time we're out in the field, super easy to hook up. We're gonna go through 4 very basic movements with the TRX that you can do from home, in the field, or wherever the hell you are. All right, so before we start our tricep movement, I'm gonna make sure that my hash marks are where they need to be. So this is gonna keep it level. And then down here as well, just making sure everything is nice and level. Triceps. We're gonna grab these handles, not these handles. These ones are actually used for your feet. We're gonna stand up nice and tall. We're gonna roll the pelvis forward. Hands up. I'm gonna push out. And then come right back, right beside my temples. Pushing out. If that is too easy, little step back, down, up. Make sure you're keeping your core tight the entire time. Second exercise will be for biceps. Again, you can make this really easy or super hard for yourself. You're gonna stand up nice and tall. Again, roll that pelvis forward so you keep your core nice and locked. You're gonna drop back. You're gonna curl right to your eyebrows. And then down, keeping your core nice and tight. If you're curling and it's too hard, just do this. Little step backwards and then hang back again. Curl to your eyebrows. Come down. If it's too easy, walk a little bit lower. Curl. Down. Nice and simple. Third thing we're going to do is a lateral movement. So it's a lateral lunge using the TRX to help you up. So again, if you're really new to doing any lower body stuff, or you're someone that's kind of a little bit worried about load-bearing weighted movements for your legs, this is a good alternative for you. So my chest is up, step to the side, sit back, let yourself, pull yourself up if you have to, but you want to put the majority of the weight here and use your leg to push up. And then you can alternate it by going to the other side and then pushing up. Very, very simple movement, allowing you to pull yourself up with the TRX if it is starting to get a little tough for you. What we're going to do is a high row. One of my other videos I show you guys a narrow row. This one's going to be a high row. So similar movement, you're just going to keep your elbows up. So feet shoulder width apart, lock your hips, back, keep your elbows up. Pinch with your shoulder blades, come down nice and easy. If that's too easy, walk down, hips up, elbows up, hold, and come down. So if you guys have questions on basic movements with the TRX or advanced movements with the TRX, hit me up below with a comment. If you're interested in looking at a TRX, also hit the link below in the description. I have that link there for you. Please like, subscribe, and share this video for those who might need a little bit of help with their TRX.